The 2026 Tiffin GH1 is a premium adventure camper van designed for travelers who want comfort, mobility, and off-grid capability in a compact package. Built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter AWD platform, it combines luxury features with rugged performance for a wide range of travel experiences. Its exterior design reflects its adventurous purpose. The van features a modern and rugged appearance with protective body elements, all-terrain tires, and practical accessories that enhance both style and functionality during long journeys. The Mercedes-Benz turbo diesel engine delivers smooth and reliable performance. Acceleration feels confident, and the 9-speed automatic transmission provides seamless gear changes that make highway driving comfortable and efficient. All-wheel drive adds confidence when traveling on gravel roads, muddy trails, or snowy conditions. This capability allows owners to reach remote campsites that would be difficult for many traditional motorhomes to access. Despite its compact dimensions, the GH1 offers impressive interior space. The thoughtful layout maximizes every inch of the cabin, creating a comfortable environment for extended trips without feeling cramped. The rear power lift bed is one of the van's most useful features. During the day, it can be raised to create a large storage area for bicycles, camping gear, and outdoor equipment, while at night it transforms into a comfortable sleeping space. Storage solutions are cleverly integrated throughout the interior. Cabinets, drawers, and overhead compartments provide plenty of room for clothing, food supplies, and travel essentials. The kitchen area is practical and well equipped. It includes a refrigerator, sink, induction cooking solution, and useful preparation space, allowing travelers to prepare meals conveniently while on the road. A fully enclosed wet bath enhances comfort during long adventures. Having a private shower and toilet means travelers can remain independent even when camping far from developed facilities. The van is equipped with advanced lithium battery technology and solar charging capability. This setup supports off-grid camping and reduces dependence on external power sources during outdoor adventures. Climate control systems perform well in various weather conditions. Efficient heating and cooling help maintain a comfortable interior whether traveling through hot summer regions or colder mountain environments. Build quality is a major strength of the GH1. Materials throughout the cabin feel durable and well finished, reflecting Tiffin's reputation for producing premium recreational vehicles. Driving the GH1 is surprisingly easy. Its manageable size makes parking, maneuvering, and navigating city streets much less stressful than operating larger motorhomes. The versatile interior configuration options allow buyers to tailor the van to their lifestyle. Whether focused on adventure travel, remote work, or weekend camping, the layout can accommodate different needs. Overall, the 2026 Tiffin GH1 is an impressive camper van that successfully blends luxury, practicality, and off-road capability. Its efficient design, high-quality construction, and modern technology make it an excellent choice for travelers seeking freedom and comfort on every journey.